Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to download or install Microsoft Copilot on your PC, laptop, or whatever browser you're running on. For example, using a MacBook or a Windows. I'm going to teach you how to install it, even on Linux, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, as you can see in the background, I'm on Visual Studio landing page. Currently, this is the only platform, correct me if I'm wrong, but upon checking, this is the only platform Visual Studio Code that we can use to install Microsoft Copilot. Okay? So that being said, we first need to download Visual Studio Code. How to download it? It's easy as going to your browser. This is the link, code.visualstudio.com. And by the way, as you can see, I'm using a Microsoft Edge browser. If you want to use Google Chrome, like this one right here, or Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox if it's still there, not quite sure though. Um, if you want Safari, or even Opera, it's perfectly fine as long as you have access to the internet, of course. Okay? So that being said, let's get started. So this is again the link URL. Call it as you may please, and just click on this option right here. On the upper section, click on download. Once you have that one, this should be the landing page. It's gonna ask you what kind of iOS or OS you're running on. May it be Windows, DEB, RPM, Linux, or Mac. Okay? With that being said, if you have Windows Visual Studio Code on your Windows, just open it. From this one, this should be the landing page. Install it. Create a path file, whatever you want, local disk C or D. It's up to you. Okay? And then from here, I just want you to click on this option right here. It's gonna be called extensions. Okay? And from those extensions, just make sure to type in GitHub Copilot. It will search the marketplace for any available GitHub Copilot installation. And that being said, it's easy as installing the very first result. That means this is the verified GitHub extension. This is the verified GitHub product. Okay? That being said, click on install. Install the pre-release or release version. I install the release version right here. And with that being said, that's how you install your Copilot GitHub on your iOS, on your Mac, or your Windows PC, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.